Hey guys, so what I'm going to do in this video is quickly compare these two amazing rugged phones, the Unihertz Tank 3 versus the Oukitel WP30 Pro. So it's going to be a quick specs comparison video. I'll only be comparing the top features of both devices. So without further ado, let's dig in. So both devices have different unique designs. I prefer the design of the Oukitel WP30 Pro because of the material. The body is made up of carbon fiber and it has a metal frame. I cannot tell the exact material that is used on the Unihertz Tank 3, but I believe it might be the combination of plastic, rubber, and a little bit of metal. Anyway, the Tank 3 has a 6.79-inch Full HD Plus 120Hz display, while the Oukitel WP30 Pro has a 6.78-inch Full HD Plus 120Hz display. It also has a display at the rear, which is a 1.8-inch OLED display, which is great in my opinion, while at the rear of the Unihertz Tank 3 is a camping light with a brightness of about 1200 lumens, which is amazing too in my opinion. The Tank 3 has a thickness of 31 millimeters and it weighs 666 grams. The WP30 Pro has a thickness of 19 millimeters. The Tank 3 is powered by the Dimensity 8200, while the Oukitel WP30 Pro is powered by the Dimensity 8050. The 8200 is a faster and much more advanced processor. It is built on a 4nm process and it is paired with the Mali G610 MP6 GPU, which is also faster than the GPU that is paired with the Dimensity 8050 that powers the Oukitel WP30 Pro. The Tank 3 has 16GB RAM and it has 512GB internal storage that can be expanded up to 2TB via SD, while the WP30 Pro has 12GB RAM and 512GB internal storage that can be expanded up to 2TB as well. The storage type is UFS 3.1. Both devices runs on the latest Android 13, and in the camera department, the Tank 3 features a quad rear camera setup consisting of a 200MP main camera. It's the Samsung HP3, followed by a 64MP night vision camera, 50MP wide angle lens, and 8MP telephoto lens, and the selfie camera is 50MP. While the WP30 Pro has a triple rear camera setup consisting of a 108MP primary sensor, 20MP night vision, and a 5MP macro lens, and the front-facing camera is 32MP. The battery capacity of the Tank 3 is 23,800 mAh and it supports 120 watts fast charging, which is great. It is the second device to feature a 120 watts fast charger. The first is of course the Oukitel WP30 Pro. The WP30 Pro is the first rugged phone to ship with a 120 watts super fast charger. It is the first. Its battery capacity is 11,000 mAh and both devices supports reverse wired charging. So other features of both devices includes IP68 and IP69K. They're both military grade standard A10H certified. They both have a side mounted fingerprint scanner. They support NFC, face unlock, OTG, Wi-Fi 6, and so on guys. So these are the top features of both devices. Which of the two devices do you think is best in your opinion? Feel free to share in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.